G'day, I'm Josh.
And I'm Andy.
And we're the founders of SLAT-CO, our online business helping you to do your own DIY slat fencing and gate projects at home. The next product we're going to do is an infill slat panel, whether that be between brickwork, between posts, or if you're setting up a full fence system. Now we've got a few options with posts. You can first use our 12 gauge post. These have flutes in them, as you can see there. They're suited to the base plate. You can screw through the bottom of the plate into the post. There's countersunk screws here. You can drill straight down into concrete or whatever surface you've got. Alternative to the 12 gauge post, you can just use our standard 50 by 50 post. These can be concreted into the ground and act in the same way as the 12 gauge. Now we're just going to tech screw our 12 gauge base plate onto our makeshift floor, as you can see here. This could be a concrete slab or tiles or anything like that, anything you might have at your home. Otherwise, the posts can just be representative of your brick pillars. This is going to work in the exact same way. Now once you get your posts or your limestone brick pillars, whatever you have in place, the next thing you're going to want to do is get your U-channel and just screw these to the side of your post or pillar. The next thing you're going to want to do once the U-channels are in place is measure the overall distance between the posts. Subtract 10 millimeters to allow for the material of the U-channel, and now go and cut the slats at this length. Fix the bottom one in place and work your way up from there. Now go ahead and put the rest of the slats in place. Don't fix these until the end. Now once all the slats are in place and you're happy with the arrangement, go ahead and tech through the back of the U-channel of each slat, put a screw on each end just to fix it in place. So with panels over 2 meters, we recommend using a slat support. This just goes in the middle of the panel and gives a bit of extra strength, especially if you live on the coast or a place with high winds. These are really important. So just mark out the middle, lay the slat support across the middle of the slats, and tech screw it in perpendicular. If you're using a slat support, once it's in place, feel free to pull all the packers out because all the slats are now fixed in position. As you can see here, we've got all the U-channels and the slat support with the tech screws fixing the slats in place. Now this doesn't look the best, that's why all our U-channel comes with the cover. So the way this works is you get your cover, cut it at the same length as the U-channel, simply place it over the top of the channel like you can see here, and tap it in place. This is just a demonstration. For your property, you can obviously scale this to any size that you need. The same steps apply, whether that be between brickwork, between panels, it doesn't matter. The same steps will apply. As always, we can cut all your material to the needed lengths, or you can have it in 6.5 meter lengths and have it delivered on site or collected at our Osborne Park warehouse. If you have any queries, make sure you contact us on our website.